Okay, Apple has this wonderful feature where you can copy and text right off of images. This is particularly useful for occasions where you might want to pull information off of a get a tracking number. Okay, like here, say you have a tracking number and you want to copy that tracking number, and perhaps you want to paste it into a document on your MacBook Pro or iPad. Okay, let's say I'm in Pages and I'm putting in, typing up what are going to be my closeout notes. And then I just, on this side here, I go ahead and paste. And it puts in the tracking number. It's wonderful. I love that feature. And the problem with it is that after the initial copy and paste, it can get problematic. It can just outright get glitchy. Let's say I have a device and I want to copy the model number. Okay, and again I select model, and then I come back to my MacBook Pro, or my iPad Pro, and press and hold, and then select paste. Notice how instead of copying in the model number, it simply pasted back the original tracking number, the first thing I copied over. And in the past, what I've done is turn off the Wi-Fi on both devices, re-enable the Wi-Fi on both devices, power cycle both devices, and eventually it would work, but it was so cumbersome. I just think it's a beautiful feature, but like the continuity camera on the Mac Minis, it's not all the way there. You have to do something to make it play nice. So in this case, when I have the additional text I want to copy, what I do, I just go ahead and start a text message, just any place where you can copy and paste. I paste it there. Notice how it's correct. It shows the right model number there. Right? Okay. And then I just select it. I essentially copy and paste it again. And then after that, I can go to my target device and paste it there. And notice it copied it over correctly. That's how I work around it. Is it a wonderful feature? Yes. Is it all the way there? No, it tends to glitch up pretty easy, pretty quick. But this method of, on your source device, copying it and then pasting it into your text editor or Pages or some other word processor, and then selecting it and cutting it, somehow or other that is able to keep it in the Universal Clipboard so that you can then paste it on whichever other devices you need it on.